Type Settings in the search bar. Click on Settings. Then click on Privacy. On the left, click Speech. Then, turn on Speech Recognition. Now open a blank page in Microsoft Word. To start dictating, select a text field and press the Windows logo key +H to open the dictation toolbar. Click the Dictate microphone in the toolbar. Click the gear icon for settings. Then click Enable Auto Punctuation and click Save. Now click the Microphone Dictate button again, and click the second microphone button to start the dictation. Just start speaking and it creates text from your voice. If you pause for a few seconds, you may have to again select the dictation icon in the dictation toolbar. You can also highlight any word, then right-click, then click Synonyms and select optional words of choice. Another great tip, you can also highlight any written word in a sentence, right-click, and click on Rewrite Suggestions. It will provide options to different sentence structure. Hope these instructions were helpful. Have a good day.